Greetings to the distinguished audience, all participants of the CEE Summit 2023, and thank you for the invitation to speak today. UkraineInvest is the Ukraine's government investment promotion office, created in 2016 to attract foreign direct investment and assist existing investors to expand their businesses in Ukraine. From its inception as a consultative body reporting to the Prime Minister of Ukraine, UkraineInvest has transformed into a full-fledged government institution committed to provide investors with one-stop shop support consisting of reliable current information and advice on doing business in Ukraine. The outbreak of the Russia's invasion has become an unprecedented challenge for Ukraine. However, despite a difficult economic situation, the private sector is still resilient and capable of functioning. Ukraine obtained the status of an EU candidate in June last year, and we are confident in terms of movement on the way to the European integration. This positive decision symbolizes Europe's support for Ukraine and is a new impetus for Ukraine's victory in the war. The status of a candidate for EU membership and the need for reconstruction makes Ukraine attractive for foreign investors. CEE countries have passed the path of European integration, and as empirical studies proved, the advantages of EU membership for new countries begin to materialize in advance, that is, even before the official accession to the EU. Ukraine has implemented a variety of state incentives to attract foreign direct investments, the most prominent among which is the program for projects with over 20 million euros of investments and for projects implemented within industrial parks. For projects for over 20 million euros of investments, Ukraine provides state support in the amount of up to 30% of the capex in forms of tax and customs exemptions, lease of state or communal land plots without an auction, construction of related infrastructure. Private investors that are planning to develop an industrial park in Ukraine are entitled to receive full or partial compensation of interest rates on loans, non-refundable financing, compensation for connecting to engineering grids, as well as tax and customs incentives. The real estate and infrastructure sectors in Ukraine offer significant industry opportunities for both investors and entrepreneurs. Thanks to a robust legal framework, ongoing reforms, and strategic location, Ukraine is well positioned to become a regional center for real estate development and infrastructure investment. By capitalizing on these opportunities, we can contribute to Ukraine's economic growth, connectivity, and quality of life of our citizens. Unfortunately, war harms our infrastructure. 147 billion of direct losses estimated as of April 2023. The scale of investment required for Ukraine's reconstruction will be substantial and will require blending of public and donor funding with private investment. An opportunity exists to develop innovative financing structures to mitigate risks and enable more private investment. Infrastructure and real estate are one of the most important sectors that may be of interest to investors right now. Many companies are currently interested in participating in Ukraine's reconstruction, which will become one of the largest construction projects of this generation. In the post-war future, expected access to new markets and rebuilding of infrastructure will increase demand from new international players and significantly improve Ukraine's logistics and supply chain sectors. Overall, the warehouse market in Ukraine is considered to be a promising sector for investors and developers, as it offers strong potential for growth and attractive returns once post-war recovery begins. Infrastructure requires significant investments, as well as improving the quality of services and bringing them closer to European standards. This creates many opportunities for private investment and public-private partnerships. The PPP mechanism is planned to be used as a way to restore the damaged and destroyed social transport and other infrastructure. I thank you for the attention and will look forward to further fruitful cooperation with you. Please do not hesitate to contact us for more information. I wish you a very productive event and a very good day. Thank you.